All right, welcome back, guys. So we have covered the basics of affiliate marketing, how to pick a niche, how to pick a good product. Now let's talk about the fun stuff, which is the overall strategy. Okay. So the overall strategy revolves around three simple things. Okay. The first step is we're going to use our Facebook profile and we're going to optimize it. Okay. And don't worry, I'll move into the details. Okay. Because your Facebook profile is like your overall storefront. Right. The second thing that we need to do is we need to start driving traffic by writing posts, joining Facebook groups, and optional, you can start creating reels as well. Okay. And step number three is where the magic happens, right? In step number three, we start building relationships and eventually closing the sales. So this is it, guys. This is the three-step strategy, three-step blueprint, so to speak. And it leads into secret number four. Okay. Now, secret number four is that you don't need a sales funnel builder or an email autoresponder. Okay. And the reason why I share this with you guys is because this is exactly what I did as a beginner. And that's the reason why I was able to implement very quickly, because the thinking behind was to choose a product that actually gives you their sales funnel pages that you can use to promote. And I basically leverage on their email autoresponder so that I didn't have to send one. Okay. Now, let me just clarify, because it's a very controversial strategy and I guarantee you not many people do this. Okay. This strategy works so well. Okay. And this is something that I recommend to my students, something for them to do when they have not made a single high ticket sale just yet. Okay. Because the reason is simple. You're a beginner. If you start learning how to create your own sales funnel and email autoresponders, few things happens, right? Number one, you got a huge learning curve because now you need to get techie and start creating all this funnel and softwares. Number two, before you even start making money, you're already paying monthly fees for all of this software. So this is the reason why I share with you guys this strategy. I use this strategy. I did not own my own sales funnel or have an email responder up till like my fifth high ticket sale. Okay, so I made over $6,000 by the time I even started to create this. Okay, so that's secret number four. Not many people talk about this. And how do you do that? You basically want to make sure that you choose a program that has all the links. So in my case, I promote Freedom Breakthrough. I use the 3-day opt-in page or sometimes the evergreen launch. And I basically let my partner, Jonathan, in this case, do all the work for me. Okay. My only job is to drive people into these sites. Okay. So that's secret number four, short and sweet, overall strategy. And then now we're going to deep dive into the step by step.